Hey everyone, John McKelliper, Chief Revenue Officer, rNetwork, and I've got a really cool announcement for you. Effective immediately, we have a really neat enhancement into the back office. We have now able to generate for you a referral link. Now, what does that mean? Well, currently when you enroll people into the business as charter members, the system automatically deposits them into your TBS, left to right and right to left, into the first available position downline of you. What if you could actually generate a referral link and send it to somebody, and that link identified where you choose to place them in your TBS, meaning you can look down in your tree and you can identify which one of your three legs and under who do you want that new charter member deposited into. It doesn't have to be into the designated spot that the system opens up for you. You can have it, again, system generated where the system would deposit that person there, or you can identify where you choose to have that person placed in your TBS. Now, let me give you an example of why you may want to do that. Say you live in Columbus, Ohio, and you've got 3 people that you want to enroll in Miami, Florida. All 3 are excited to get involved in the business. So you personally enroll the first one, and you can identify where in your TBS you want that person to go. And then that second person, you're still their personal enroller, but you place them under person number 1. And then that third person, you're still the personal enroller, you place them under personal number 2. So now all 3 are working together, they're in the same market, they're aligned in the same leg in the TBS, they're synergistically engaged, all earning income together in that marketplace. Or say, for example, you've got family members and they all want to be able to work together and you want to position them into the same line in that same leg in the TBS. You can now do it versus the system automatically placing those people into your TBS for you. There's a link attached to this email done by Dave Dubb, your Executive Vice President of Sales. He did a terrific job of explaining in a tutorial how the system works. Take a look at that. You asked, we heard, we delivered. More to come.